Hi, this is Tom, and welcome to Lesson 12, Order of Operations. So, let's begin. The problem might read something like this. Simplify. I'm going to start with a really simple example, 3 plus 2. Now, I know you know the answer is 5, and that's exactly what the point is that I could write 3 plus 2, but it's much simpler to write 5. And so that's what it means when we say simplify. So let's try another problem. Simplify. The problem is, this one's a bit more lengthy. It's 2 plus 3 times 4 minus 6, little exponent cubed is how that's read, divided by 4 minus 3. Now, mathematicians have a very specific order in which we tackle this problem. And what I would encourage you to do is to pause this video for a moment and try this problem on your own and see what you come up with. Now, it doesn't matter if it's right or wrong. It feels better if you're right, but if you're wrong, you'll probably get more out of this because then we can go and look back and you'll see what happened and we'll see why the importance of the order of operations. And so pause that now. Okay, welcome back. Now, here we go. The order of operations. The reason we have them is it's so that everyone gets the same answer every time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just bring this over here with an equal sign. This is probably the cleanest way to write this. Now, where to start? And the answer is we start with the parentheses. So we're going to begin this problem right there. So I can rewrite this whole problem as 2 plus 3, then in parentheses 4 minus 6, well that's minus 2 or negative 2. We still have this little 3 divided by 4 minus 3. So the very first thing we did was we cleaned up or we simplified what was inside of the parentheses. Now, the next thing is this. That is called an exponent. And exponents are the next step. So let's just do a little bit of side work, and then we'll come back. So if I have negative 2 raised to the third power, or you could say negative 2 cubed, what this means is it means a negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. It means that negative 2 is being repeatedly multiplied, 3 of them, 3, and that's where the 3 comes in. So if you work through this, well, this means that if you take a negative 2 times a negative 2, that's going to give you a 4 times, you still have another negative 2, so that gives us a negative 8. So coming back here to our main problem, this becomes 2 plus 3 times negative 8, and notice that the 3 is gone, the exponent is removed, divided by 4 minus 3. So the next order is exponents. All right, the next one that we have to do is look at this. Here, right in here, I have multiplication and I have division. Whoa. So the question then is, where do you begin on that? And the answer is when you have multiplication, or division, we always proceed from left to right. From left to right. Just like you're reading a book. Just like a book. So, notice that the first piece I have is the 2 plus 3 times a negative 8. I'm going to use the parentheses for clarity. That's going to be a minus 24. Excuse me. And then I still have divided by 4 minus 3. So we're taking care now of all of our multiplication and division. So now I still have division in the problem, so that's 2 plus negative 4 divided, negative 24 divided by 4, well, that's going to give us a negative 6 minus 3. Now, so what we did up here is we took care of the 3 times negative 8, then we took care of the negative 24 divided by 4, and now what we have is addition and subtraction. And the rule is exactly the same as multiplication or division, and that is we work from left to right. So addition and subtraction, we'll write that down. Addition and subtraction. And subtraction work from left to right. So if we do that, our first, going from left to right, we have the 2 plus the negative 6. So that's going to give me a negative 4 minus 3. And so we're working again on, we still have addition and subtraction. So now I have a minus 4 minus 3, and I have a minus 7. And that is how we simplify this problem. Okay. In the next video, we're going to look at another type of exponent, the square root. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.